Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Prevost Millennium, one of the most luxurious motor coaches on the road. From the moment you step inside, the craftsmanship is obvious. Every inch is carefully detailed, with premium materials from hand-stitched leather seating to custom cabinetry. The 2025 model pushes comfort even further, introducing smart cabin technology that seamlessly controls lighting, climate, and entertainment with just a tap. Underneath, the Prevost chassis continues to deliver a legendary driving experience. Powered by a Volvo D13 engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission, the ride is smooth, quiet, and incredibly powerful. Adaptive cruise control and lane departure warnings come standard, making long drives easier and safer. Inside, the layout options are more flexible than ever. You'll find spacious lounges, a fully equipped chef's kitchen, and a master suite that rivals top hotel rooms. New for 2025, there's also an upgraded solar package and lithium battery system, allowing for longer off-grid adventures without sacrificing luxury. Another standout feature is the updated entertainment suite. Multiple 4K screens, a premium surround sound system, and seamless satellite and streaming capabilities turn the coach into a mobile theater. Overall, the 2025 Prevost Millennium isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle. If you're looking for the ultimate in comfort, performance, and technology on the road, this coach sets a new standard. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth vehicle reviews and road tests. Tut.